This is something brand new from our friends at Crafters Companion. They have partnered with a company called Violet Studio to create this really fun tropical ultimate card making kit. Now there's some really different and unique things in here, but let me start, as we always like to do, with the papers that are included. And they are A4 size. There are 12 of them, and in 9 designs. So you can see, very tropical. They are single-sided, and let me just show you each one. And some of them you're going to get 2, and some you will get 1, as I showed you that first one. Here we go. So very tropical, fun with the pinks and the greens. And these being A4 size, I like to think of that as a generous 8.5 by 11. There you go, all of that. Then we have some stickers, some alphabet stickers, and you're going to get 2 sheets of these very shiny gold alphabet stickers. So no longer will you be missing that letter that you need to use quite a bit. You've got 2 of these sheets with a ton of letters on them. And altogether, there are over 550 pieces in this collection. Now, in addition, there are these die cuts. So these will just pop right out. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. I guess this is 2 of the same. And these 2, so you get 4 different ones. And as I said, some of them are a frame, some of them have greetings on them, and just a great variety of pieces. So here we go with these. Now I'm going to get into the box and show you what else is in here. So something that's different, I'll pull this out, are the cards. They are, open this up. Now these are all cards, so they're already printed colors, as you can see. And let me close this box or pull it off and see how many there are in here. Let's see, these are A6, so let me measure them. They are 4 by, probably 4 by, almost 6, 4 by 5 3/4. And you can see they're a nice weight of cardstock, and you're going to get 12 of them. And then, of course, you're going to get 12 of the envelopes to match. And you'll notice those are tropical colors. They're not neons, but they certainly are very festive and very pretty. And it's fun to see the variety. So you're getting those cards and envelopes. You are also getting some tassels, which is very different. And this is kind of fun to see. There are 15 in here. In addition, there are 100 mini little foam squares. Those are adhesive. You're also going to get these frames. Now the frames, there are 4 of them, and they're all the same design. They're a chipboard, so that's nice. You're also going to get these enamel dots. There are 40 of them right here. They're mini dots, but really pretty. You also get 18 buttons. You see how everything is working together with the color combination. Then you're going to get these pom-poms on a tassel strip. So let me open that up just to show you. So that can add some fun if you want to put it on a card. They're right there, so just as you would think, or you can cut them apart and use them. So just a really wonderful selection of cards, envelopes, tassels, buttons, enamel dots. You get the foam squares, as well as those squares, as well as die cuts, as well as stickers, as well as printed paper. All of this together in one package. And again, it's called the Tropical Ultimate Card Making Kit from Violet Studio via our friends at Crafters Companion.